Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. So the prelims exams are over now and now it is the time to prepare for the mains examinations. In this video, I am going to share with you the schedule which I am following nowadays. First of all, I would like to tell you about Guidely's PDF course. So right now they are providing their PDF course at a minimum price. So their PDF course is for all the mains examinations and it has separate PDF for all the mains like for IBPS PO, SBI PO and IBPS clerk mains also. Okay, and right now there is some special offer going on their website and you will get extra discount by using my code also. In this PDF course you can just download the PDFs and practice daily questions. Okay, now there is this target CA. So I am trying to cover 2 months CAs together. Okay, November and September. So this is my November target CA and I am following Affairs Cloud's monthly PDF, and Affairs Cloud is very good for current affairs. So right now I have decided that I will follow only one source, which is Affairs Cloud. Okay, and for purchasing Affairs Cloud also you can use my code and get 10% discount. So now there is two mains TIs of plus. Okay, so I am daily practicing 3 to 4 mains level TIs and there are two mains TIs of plus. Then there is right to essay and September target CA, because I told you I am covering 2 months current affairs. So September target CA and one logical DI, because logical DIs is also very important. So 3 mains DIs are there. Then there are writing 2 essays, because I have just started writing the essays. Then there is September target CA, and for writing essays if you want to take test, then Guidely is providing free descriptive test on their website. Okay, it is totally free for everyone. Then there is mock reasoning solve. So I will try to solve the reasoning section of Olive Board mock test. Okay, and then there is English sectional mock test. Right now for English I am only following mock test plus editorial and nothing else. Then there are 2 mains level puzzles. These are also from the mock test. Then there is critical reasoning, because it is very important, and mains level arithmetic class. Plus there is, because yesterday I read CA, so it is very important to revise the current affairs. So today I will revise yesterday's current affairs also. Then there is write a letter and read editorial. Okay, if your mains is on 2nd, then it is very important for you to write letter and editorial on daily, letter and essay on daily basis. Okay, then there is reading of editorial and December 1st week current affairs. So that is all for my schedule, and if you want to suggest something then you can do that. And for these timings I have kept these timings according to my schedule, so you can change it according to your schedule, and please try to make the timetable according to your strong and weak areas. Okay, so that is all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.